When it comes to improving the curb appeal of your Dallas home, few features have as much impact as bay windows. Known for their elegant design and ability to expand the space and light in a room, bay windows not only offer a striking architectural element but can also transform the exterior of your home, making it more inviting and visually appealing. If you're looking to enhance your home's first impression, bay windows are an investment worth considering. Here's how installing bay windows can significantly improve your Dallas home's curb appeal and elevate its overall aesthetic. Creating a focal point. One of the key advantages of bay windows is that they naturally become the focal point of a room's exterior. Positioned outward from the wall, bay windows extend beyond the rest of the building's structure, adding a dynamic feature to your home's facade. Whether you install them in the living room, dining room, or master bedroom, bay windows make a bold statement that draws attention and adds architectural interest. In Dallas, where homes vary widely in style, from traditional to modern, bay windows can complement any design. Their distinctive shape and structure help to create visual depth, making the front of your home appear more inviting and unique. If you're looking to boost your home's curb appeal and ensure it stands out in your neighborhood, bay windows are a great way to achieve this. Bringing in more natural light. Bay windows are designed to bring in more natural light, which makes a huge difference in how a home looks and feels. With 3 panels of glass that typically extend outward, they allow more sunlight to flood into the room, brightening up both the interior and the exterior of your home. This added light can enhance the overall atmosphere of your home, making it appear warm, open, and airy. Natural light is highly sought after by homeowners, as it not only improves the aesthetic but also contributes to healthier indoor air quality and a better mood. A home bathed in sunlight feels more welcoming, and the extra light spilling through bay windows can create a soft, inviting glow on your exterior, making it more attractive and eye-catching from the street. Expanding space and view. Bay windows do more than enhance the curb appeal of your home. They can also create the illusion of more space. Their extended design opens up a room, giving the appearance of a larger, more expansive area. This added space can be used for creating a cozy reading nook, a small dining area, or simply for the aesthetic benefit of providing a more open feeling. In addition to increasing space, bay windows provide unobstructed views of your Dallas neighborhood and beyond. Whether you want to enjoy the beauty of your own garden or take in the surrounding landscape, bay windows offer a panoramic view that regular windows can't match. The wider glass panels allow you to enjoy an enhanced connection with your outdoor environment, making your home more visually appealing from both the inside and out. Boosting architectural appeal. Bay windows can dramatically enhance the architectural appeal of your home. Depending on the style of bay window you choose, they can lend a traditional, modern, or transitional flair to your home's exterior. From Victorian-style homes to more contemporary designs, bay windows are incredibly versatile and can adapt to various architectural themes. For a classic look, a curved bay window with ornate detailing can evoke a timeless feel, adding elegance to a traditional home. On the other hand, angular bay windows with sleek, clean lines can complement a modern aesthetic, giving your home a minimalist yet sophisticated look. No matter your style preference, bay windows offer a customized look that increases your home's architectural interest and value. Increasing property value. An attractive home with great curb appeal doesn't just look good, it can also be worth more. The installation of bay windows can increase your home's property value by improving its visual appeal and overall attractiveness. Buyers are often drawn to homes with unique features like bay windows because they offer extra space, abundant light, and a charming aesthetic. In a competitive real estate market like Dallas, bay windows can help set your home apart from others, making it more desirable to potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell immediately, the increased property value of your home due to bay windows is a smart investment that will pay off in the future. Enhancing the front of your home. The front of your house is the first thing visitors and passers-by notice, so it's important that it makes a positive impact. Bay windows naturally create a sense of depth and dimension, giving the exterior of your home a more dynamic look. Whether you're looking to modernize an older home or enhance the beauty of a newer one, bay windows add character and charm. Adding bay windows to the front of your home can balance out the architecture and give it a polished, finished appearance. The addition of these windows brings attention to your entryway, draws the eye upward, and enhances your home's street presence. Conclusion: bay windows are a worthwhile investment for your Dallas home. If you're looking for a way to enhance your Dallas home's curb appeal, bay windows are a fantastic option. They create a focal point, bring in natural light, expand your living space, and improve your home's architectural appeal. Not only do bay windows make your home look more inviting, but they can also increase its property value and help you stand out in your neighborhood. With their elegant design, ability to provide more natural light, and improved views, bay windows are a smart investment that will pay off for years to come. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy a more beautiful, functional living space, adding bay windows is an excellent way to enhance your home's overall appeal.